The actress from Resident Evil and The Fifth Element just open-sourced an AI memory system. 41,000 GitHub stars in 1 week. 10,000 stars in the first 24 hours. She calls herself a vibe coder. She built it with Claude Code. And the open-source community tore her benchmark claims apart within 24 hours. And she fixed them. This is the wildest origin story in open source right now. This is MemPalace, a free, open-source AI memory system that gives LLMs persistent, cross-session memory. 41,000 stars, 5,300 forks, MIT licensed. It works with Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, and Gemini. Everything runs locally. ChromaDB for vector search, SQLite for the knowledge graph, sentence transformers for embeddings. No cloud, no subscription, no data leaves your machine. And it's built on the ancient Greek method of loci, the memory palace technique, applied to AI conversations. Let's talk about how fast this moved. 41,000 stars in 1 week. 5,300 forks, 10,000 stars, and 50 pull requests in the first 24 hours alone. 20 community contributors in the first week. 19 MCP tools. And it costs roughly 70 cents a year to run. Everything local, no API calls for memory storage. Compare that to Memo at $19 to $249 a month, or Zep at $25 a month. And this is where it gets interesting. MemPalace organizes your AI's memory like a physical building. Wings are the top-level containers, projects, people, topics. Rooms are specific subjects within a wing. Halls connect memory types, facts, events, discoveries, preferences. Closets hold summarized pointers. Drawers store verbatim conversation text that's never deleted. And tunnels create cross-wing semantic connections. It's a spatial hierarchy that mirrors how the ancient Greeks memorized entire speeches, by walking through an imaginary building. But here's the philosophical difference that makes MemPalace unique. Most AI memory tools, Mem0, Zep, LangMem, use an LLM to decide what's worth remembering. They extract, compress, and throw away the rest. MemPalace stores your actual conversations verbatim, every exchange, every line of reasoning, every tangent. The argument is simple. You can't predict what will be relevant tomorrow, so keep everything. Let retrieval handle relevance at query time, not storage time. That one decision changes everything about how AI memory works. Now here's the controversy. MemPalace launched claiming a 100% score on LongMemEvil, the first perfect score ever recorded. The open-source community destroyed that claim in 24 hours. An independent researcher proved the benchmark was actually testing ChromaDB's embedding model, not MemPalace's Palace features. Hand-tuned fixes for 3 specific questions inflated the score, and one real-world test showed only 17% correct answers. To her credit, Milla acknowledged every criticism, revised the score to 96.6%, and committed to community-contributed benchmarks. That's accountability most companies don't show. Think about what this means for vibe coding. Milla Jovovich, born in Kyiv, emigrated at age 5, became one of the biggest action stars in Hollywood. Resident Evil, The Fifth Element, 100 magazine covers. She started using AI assistants for business and creative work, got frustrated that every session started from zero, tested the existing tools, found them lacking, and built her own. With Claude Code, as a self-described vibe coder, she partnered with engineer Ben Sigman. They spent months building it, and it hit 41,000 stars in a week. A Hollywood actress shipping production open source. The world is changing. Pip install. Initialize a palace. Mine your conversations. Your AI just got a permanent memory. MemPalace, built by the most unexpected open source developer of 2026. Subscribe to Awesome FOSS. We find the best open source tools so you don't have to.